Hey guys, so today I thought I would do a green eye look inspired by the Cargo Cosmetics Emerald City Palette. I do have a discount code down below for Cargo Cosmetics if you guys are interested, but I'm going to be doing a green look using this palette, the Milani Most Love Mattes palette, and the Maybelline City Mini Palette. So if you guys are interested in seeing what the look I come up with, then just keep watching. Okay, so here's the eye look that I came up with using these three palettes. So the first thing that I'm using is a NYX Professional Makeup Brush. I'm going into the Milani Most Love Mattes, this white color all over my lid.
And up to the brow bone.
Next, taking a Furless blending brush, I'm going into this mid-tone kind of orangey brown into the crease. Then taking another NYX brush, this one's a bit flatter, I am going into the dark matte green from the Milani City Mini Palette on the outer corner only. And going in with a e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm going to take the Hill color right here from the Cargo Cosmetics Emerald palette and put that on the lid. It does help to dampen your brush because it's a little on the powdery side, but the color is beautiful. And then going back in with the dark green to deepen up the outer corner. And then on the lower lash line, I took a little bit of this coffee color from the Emerald City palette on the lower lash line. I'm gonna hop off, add some brows and mascara, and be back to show you the finished look. Okay guys, so the eyes are all finished. I ended up adding a little bit of the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Fiber Mascara. But I really like the way that the look turned out using these three palettes. I think that the shimmers in the Emerald City palette are beautiful. This green is stunning. And I really love the colors in here for transitions, and this deep green. I have not found a color like this. It's beautiful. It's like this deep forest matte green. And like I said, I haven't found anything that matches this color or the quality. So I think it turned out really well. Again, you can find a discount code for Cargo Cosmetics down below if you guys are interested in checking out this palette or any of the other ones. And these are both drugstore, very affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this eye look tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.